Hi friends, welcome to day 3 of stock market for beginners. Today we are going to discuss about virtual trading and paper trading, and I'll show you how to do virtual trading in using few of the sites. Before getting into the trading, let us discuss about few of the trading types that we have. So as we discussed yesterday, we have intraday trading, we have positional trading, which is a kind of swing, short term, long term, and all. Other than that, when we trade, uh, there are segments like equity, futures, options. This is in stock market. This is in commodity market. Commodity market, we have futures and we have options. Now, let us discuss quickly about what is equity stocks. Equity stocks, usually most of the people, most of the stock traders will call it as a cash segment. But we use the term equity, futures, and option. Okay. Now comes to as we discussed yesterday, we take an example of ICICI stock. If I want to buy one stock of ICICI, I can do that in equity. Whereas if I want to buy one future, so usually we call it as lot. We call in futures we call it as lot. In options also we call it as lot. Here one quantity is equal to one stock. Here one lot equal to, if you take ICICI as an example, it is 1375 stocks are called one lot. Let me open Zerodha site calculator. Okay, I'll comes to equity future. I'll select ICICI. ICICI lot size is 1375. For that, we need a margin approximately around 2,17,000 rupees to trade. Means if I want to buy 1375 stocks in a single shot, I can do that in futures. Even in options as well. Options one lot is equal to 1375. Commodities, it has a different mechanism. Like see, the lot size is same. Like lot size is defined like 100, 50, 25 kind of stuff. Even option size is defined in commodities. We'll discuss this later. But we have a facility to trade in future and options in commodities as well. Now, hope you understood. Equity means one stock into number of stocks that you want to buy. Suppose if you want to buy 100 stocks, you can do that 100. Or if you want to buy 150, you can do that. Whereas in futures, if you want to buy one particular ICICI lot, which is equivalent to 1375 stocks, options is also same, which is equivalent to 1375 stocks quantity. Hope you understood. So whatever the quantity that required, we can buy in equity. In future and options, whatever the quantity that is defined by NSE, we have to buy those. We can't buy half a lot. We can't buy 1.5 lot or something like that. We can multiply that. The way we can multiply quantity, in the similar way we can buy 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, 4 lot, something in that way. So when you increase the lot, you are almost increasing double the quantity. 1375. If you take 2 lots, it is 1375 into 2, 2750. So until unless you are expert in equity trading or you become confident in what you are trading in equity, Do not go to future and options. See, futures and options will have its own benefits and merits and demerits that we will discuss later. But as if now, we'll be trying to practice with equity stocks only. Futures and options, if you want, you can trade it in virtual or a paper trading, because the quantity we are not trading with the real money. The quantity whatever we are picking up in futures and options or equity, that is virtually or a paper we are taking. So I don't think there'll be an issue. Now let us go to one of the site which I used to use, which is called Sensible. Sensible is the one virtual trading platform which I like. There is another trading platform as well. Let me show you that. ICICI virtual trading. In ICICI virtual trading, you can open virtual trading with ICICI Direct. You can create your own account and you can play around with equity and futures and options as well. It works on a real-time basis, and you can place orders, you can close orders, you can see how much profit. The money which you are picking up here is not a real money. It is only a virtual money, so that you can play, you can lose, you can get the profit, and you can practice on this platform. So this is the best platform which I feel. And after looking into this and after trading few stocks on this virtual trading, I moved towards the Sensible, and now I am totally on Sensible. When I am testing my strategies, when I am trading, I'll trade on real money. As yesterday I showed you, I have a lot of portfolio stocks, and also I'll do intraday trading and all. See here, this is what my analysis, and I created this strategy on somewhere around I don't see the date over here, but maybe a week before I created this. And see the profit which I am getting on a virtual trading is 1,68,000 rupees. Hope you can see that. So these are the stocks which I have taken this on this particular virtual trading platform, which is Sensible, and I got a profit. See, Titan this much, and even you can see some losses over here. See, this is not real money, this is virtual money. I need not to worry about what I am getting and what I am losing here, because it is only for the practice purpose. Okay, let me show you how to trade in this Sensible. Once you logged into the Sensible, you'll get 7 days free trial or 10 days free trial here initially. You have to go to virtual trade here. Go to virtual trade. Sorry guys, I got a phone. I'll be pausing here. Okay, once you log in here, what you need to do is you need to create a portfolio. So whoever it is, like whatever the strategy that you'll be following, you can write that portfolio in it. I'll say training. So this is the portfolio that I created. Now I click on this. Then what I need to do is I need to click on add, and I can select any of the stock here. I have to select the future. Future is nothing but lots. I can select any of the stock. Let us select ICICI Bank. Okay, I selected ICICI Bank. Now the ICICI market rate is somewhere around, I don't know, like it could be 1770.5, something in that. So 1717.5, this is what the stock price. I validated it, and I say what is the expiry that expiries and all I'll let you know later. So you can select recent expiry, the nearing expiry you can select, and you can say add. What is expiry, what is future, duration, time period, and all that we'll discuss in detail later. But as if now I'm explaining virtual trading, so you can learn that. Here you don't have a provision to trade in equity, so what you need to do is, when whoever wants to trade in equity virtual trading, they can go to ICICI Direct virtual trading and they can practice over there. And this is the other one where you can practice futures and options. If anybody knows futures and options, they can do that. In case if you want to trade only in futures, future is also as equal as equity, but the thing is the quantity is different. We call it as lot here. Say add. Done. I have added one of the stock here. So I bought it 750. Tomorrow, what happens when market opens? If the stock is moving up, then I can see the profit here, and I can test my strategy. So my strategy is working or not. I can test here without using any money, real money. If I want to sell any of the stock, I can do that here. So let me sell any of the other stock. ITC future. I want to sell it. I sold it. See here, you can see this is buy. I bought the stock at this price, and I can test it till 31st March, because 31st March is the expiry. And ITC, I sold it on today state, and I can test it till 31st March. If, as per my strategy, if ITC goes down, I'll get the profit here. As per my strategy, if ICICI goes up, I'll get the profit here. So once you are done with this, you can always go back, and you can directly log in and see this trading strategies and all, and you can back test it, and you can see whether it is properly working or not. Your strategy, whatever your strategy. See, I have placed Titan. It is in profit. My strategy is working well. SBI, no. Pidilite, yes. NSE, Nestle India, no. Jubilee Food, yes. ICICI Bank, yes. Bajaj Finance, yes. All are expiring 28th April. Like this. See, I hope like we have selected something wrong in your earlier trading training. This is not supposed to be March. This is supposed to be April, right? Oh, sorry, we are in March. Yeah, that's fine. I felt we moved into April month. So this is the way you can trade in Sensible, and you can trade in ICICI Direct as well. As I said, virtual trading in ICICI platform. You can create here. You can play equity related stuff here. This one, yeah, this one you can trade by creating an ID and password, and you can place equity, future, and option as well. So as if now for today's, like, we'll be winding up as we discussed about virtual trading and paper trading. See, the paper trading is nothing but they'll keep a book, and whatever the trades that you want to take, and the price level, the entry level, the quantity, they'll write it in a book, and they'll cross verify their strategy on a paper every day, and if things are working well, and they'll play with the real money. So the difference is, whatever we are trading here in virtual money, so the same thing they are trading on paper. That's only the difference. So I don't recommend any of the traders without proper knowledge to trade with the real money. And we won't recommend anything here, and we won't recommend any stocks. We won't recommend any strategies. We train you, and we share whatever the strategies that I follow, whatever strategies that is working for me. I'll share all those details in coming videos. If you are confident, you can always use that. You can practice and use those strategies which I am following, and we never enforce anyone to use our strategies or our setup. Please subscribe so that you'll get more information on latest updates and other video details as well. And I might not be using more jazzy and fancy and graphical things and all, as we need knowledge rather than jazzy and fancy things on the videos. So I'll be more towards what I'm explaining and what you are understanding and all. So if you have any questions towards the subject, please feel free to reach me. by giving comments, or you can reach me on my WhatsApp as well if you have more queries. Um, you can always see my phone number in About Us, and if you want, you can comment so that I'll give my Telegram channel number and my phone number, and also other channels, websites, and all other stuff where you can refer a lot of informations. Thank you.